Welcome back to Quick Oil and Break, guys. Today I'm working on a Chevy Equinox 2014. I'm replacing front brake pad and rotors. I already jack up the car, remove the front tires, and one thing I'm gonna show you, this is a T28. You have to lose before remove the caliper on both sides, because sometimes it's very difficult to remove, so it's better to remove beforehand. Okay, so then there's two caliper bolt, one here and one on this side, so you also have to remove. So I'll show you step by step. Stay with me. So I'll show you step by step. Stay with me. So I'm gonna remove this, and the bottom one. Okay, now you have to remove the caliper, and I'm gonna hook up to avoid the brake line. Okay, now you have to take the caliper brackets bolt. You have to use impact gun or the stronger bar to remove these one. These are basically 18 millimeter. So I removed the caliper bracket also. Now we have to remove the front this nut holding a rotor. So we need a T28. I already lose this one. It shouldn't take a hard time to remove. Okay. Yeah. Before put the new rotors, I recommend you to put the anti-seize, so next time when you replacing in the future, the rotors not gonna be get stuck over there. So I bought a rotor from the Advanced Auto Parts. This is the brand I bought it. It's very reliable, so it's up to you what rotors you want to use. But before we put this one, I'm gonna clean with the brake cleaner. So you have to clean this one before you install, because there's a small layer of oil, if you could see, around the rotor. Yeah, and also you have to align this hole with that one. So all right, and first I'm gonna put this one, so at least the router get aligned properly. Then I'm gonna clean the router. hold on, let me use my this one. So now I'm gonna clean this one. Okay, now we have to clean the brake pads. You need a white brush to clean the caliper bracket. Okay, you have to put a little bit grease over here and over here where the caliper slide pin goes there. And this one, the front always, this portion goes on the top. Just keep in your mind. All right. And now at the front, okay, this done. Now we have to press the piston and put the caliper on. Okay, you can use this one if you have. Sometimes it gets tight, so not going, so I'm gonna use this one. All right. Okay. Yes, sometimes going to put them. All right. It's already goes inside. So okay, before you put this one, we're gonna put a little bit grease over here. That's it. Alright. Okay, on the other side. This is a 14-inch bolt, So all right, that's it. And same way you have to do on the other side. And finally, once everything is get done, before you drive, you have to pump your brake. Please don't forget to pump the brake. If you don't pump the brake, your brake's not gonna be work, and you could have a, you know, any accident, something. So I'm reminding you, after you're done, please don't forget to pump your brake. Thank you. If you like it, please like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click on a bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.